How to activate Best Buy gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Best Buy gift card. For this, open up any web browser and head over to bestbuy.com. Make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Once you have been signed in on this website, explore it and find the items that you want to purchase. Once you have found those items, you want to click on the Add to Cart option. Now, if you're ready to check out, go ahead and click on this cart icon. Here, you're going to find all of your items. Now, click on the Continue to Checkout option after checking out the order summary. Now, on the next page, you will have to enter your shipping address. Go ahead and enter your first name, last name, phone number, and address. After entering all the details, click on the Continue option. Now on this page, you have the option of Use a gift card. Go ahead and enter the gift card number here. Then you want to enter the 4-digit PIN number. Now click on the Apply option. Remember that you can apply up to 2 gift cards per order. Check if all the details you have entered is correct. Next, you want to add a payment method. Once you have added the payment method, click on the Continue option and follow the on-screen prompts, and this is how you can activate Best Buy gift card. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.